How to recover your Bigo live account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can recover your Bigo live account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to recover your Bigo live account, just go to bigo.tv, or you can also choose to open the Bigo application. Once you've done that, click the login button from the top right and then just select login. Now all you have to do is right here you'll see the forgot password link. If you forgot your password, make sure to click the forgot password option. Now all you have to do is, first of all, just go ahead and then make sure to enter your phone number here. Then before you try to enter a new password, click on send verification code option. Once you click on send verification code, you just need to go ahead and then basically actually enter the password that you would like to use in this case. Once you enter the password you would like to use, click the send verification code option. It's going to send a verification code to this phone number. Once you send the verification code, click the submit option and your password will get successfully resetted. This way you'll be able to recover your Bigo live account. Hope this video was very helpful. If this video helped you, if you have any questions, make sure to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.